We're back again. Today is August 6th, 2025, and we have a little bit of an update on the, I can't remember. It begins with a V, Voron 3D printer. So Cameron, you want to tell us about what you have here?
Sure. So as you said, several things getting worked on. This is not complete, obviously, but this is one of the first print heads, or I guess the first print head that I'm putting together for it. So this piece here has the hot end in it. So this is where the plastic gets heated up, and there's a little nozzle that goes on the end, which isn't there right now, but that's where the plastic comes out. This is the extruder. So there's a stepper motor attached, and this is what it sits on top of the hot end, and it pushes the plastic through for it to come out. There's some electronics and stuff that are going to go on top here to hook all those wires to. So still in progress, but
how many of those will there be?
Six.
Okay. So that means 6 colors.
It can be 6 colors. It can be 6 different kinds of filaments.
Okay.
There's different things that you can do.
All right.
When you have multiple heads.
Okay.
And this actually attaches. It's difficult at the moment because the printer is upside down, but it fits on this little shuttle thing here. If I can get it to go on, it'll actually sit there.
Okay.
So it'll be easier in a future video. We'll have it all right side up, but yeah, it goes and it'll pick them up, and they slide onto that little shuttle.
Okay. All right. And speaking of your little shuttles,
so
what do we have going on over here with the actual build? Or do you want to start up there?
Let's start up here. So yes, the wiring is all a mess. I've got it wired together and kind of set up. There's still a little bit of wiring to do. And I have some cable channels that I will mount up there to put the wiring in. So it will be all nice and neat in the future, but I haven't gotten to that step yet.
Okay.
But it is hooked up and it will move. So if you look at the shuttle, you can actually see it move. I mean, not really all that exciting at the moment, but things do function.
But it's progress.
It is progress.
Okay.
And then we have this little display that will go on the front of the printer. So this allows you to...
we have glare from the light. It's hard. Okay, there you go. It's perfect.
So this will allow me to control the printer from the front just using this display. I also can control the printer from my laptop. So yeah, so there's that.
Okay.
I think that's pretty much it.
All right. So what percentage of the way done do you think you are?
Well, there's really 2 phases here.
Okay. So you're in phase 1?
So I'm in phase 1. I think I'm probably... I can't remember what I said last time, and so now I'm not sure what I should say this time, but probably 60 or 70% at least.
Oh, well, I think it was 35 or something like that last time. So that's a lot of progress.
Yeah, I mean, I think I need to clean up the wires and get that done. That shouldn't take too long. I need to finish building. I have parts for 2 heads right now, so I just finished building those 2 heads. And need to put on the build plate. And once all that's done, it's kind of the point where it could conceivably start printing parts.
Okay.
I mean, there's still work to do to put the side panels on and the door. And so once all that's done, I would consider it the end of phase 1, and then phase 2 would be building the other 4 heads and getting it all like fully up to 6 heads.
Okay. So do you still think it'll take you 6 or 7 weeks to do it?
Well, from the beginning, phase 1 will take 6 to 7 weeks. I haven't ordered the parts for the other 4 heads.
Okay.
I mean, to me, I want to get it working and get it printing. So having the 2 heads will, be enough to get to that level, and then I can take my time making the other 4 heads.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for the update. I will post this so that anybody following can see what you're up to.
Okay.